Spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV. Guys, can we talk about Ingane Zesthembu? And can we all agree ukuthi uVuyokazi is going to go back to uMpumelelo? Yes, girl is saying she's done. Girl is saying uMpumelelo must choose. Girl wants to be number one by fire, by force. But looking at Umpumelelo is not there, and Umpumelelo is going to do what he wants to do. But despite the number, whether uba number 7 uVuyokazi or uba number 13, mina where I'm seated, I am thinking with uzothi back to sender. I don't know which when we bona kanjani, but where I am, Vuyokazi is going to go back to the baby daddy and raise her beautiful 2 children with Umpumelelo. And at that moment, Usabobani, our number 15, because why is she going to Sun City if there's no relationship anymore? Why is girl going to Sun City if the silver cup has been broken? When Ajelamin, like, share, subscribe.